ikhuzele kuku esuthi ikhwele phezu kwethu ikhuzele kuku
I then had a housing sukele emaflatini akibo ka Malumamushu eLuveve. When there's besigombolozela kulo baba okhuluma ugonjolozela ukuthi bavuka begonjolozela. Lami ngangikhona lapha nakugonjolozela. So nginguteacher ngacasha ngeThai, that's why lakathi siloku ngibophi Thai. Akula umuntu ongacabangela ukuthi ngangili terrorist ngibophi Thai kanje. Ngisesele nyamanyana kancane ngihensa. But ngagonjolozela bazathusha endlini. Bathi khona isingaphi isithupha ngathatha isithupha sezenge ngabanika bathi khona tell us give us your ID number ngase mphambanisa mina ngangicreme inumber leyana engangicremile nsempini sengilathi isithupha sami ukuthi angiselo region anymore ngase nti P34139 that ungaya check ePlumtree uzenza ukuthi isithupha sami esika 1975 sasibhalwe P34 that was my number ngamnika sona that was my crime. Wangichaya ngesando la ekhanda ngahle ngawa luckily ngangiqamela umduli uthe ngichaya ngawa angichaya ngaphansi ngekhanda but insense yaphapha ngafica ukuthi sebehambile ba clear ifridge of all the drinks ezazikhona but up to today that bang yesando ingipha headache continuously ngahamba ku Nicholas Ndebele uDr Oigalen House benzi x-ray bathi khona one of the small bone parts of your skull depressor so it puts pressure on your brain. That is why, and nothing can be done now for operation, but the operation is expensive or my chances of survival are slim. So I chose to stay with it. I live with it. My mother in 1984 ehlala yedwa during the curfew kungavunyelwa ukudla ukuthi kungene bamfica wasizala victim ye polio unyawo lwakhe loluncane kulolunye uMadube lo Innocent Kala babiza irally eSouth Nata duze la kini lokuze eBhakani duze leBhakani but eCouncil konke endiweni business center babe faka imoto zamasosha to collect people from the various villages ukuthi abantu baye rally naleyo. My mother could not because why vele handicapped. So abanye bathi nxa imoto zingadlula sebehamba ngenyawo behamba bekhangela ukuthi ongahamba ngambani bamfica umama ehlezi ngaphansi kwesihlahla somangwe esasingumthunzi emzini wakithi bathi na gogo indaba ungahamba ke lokuze emhlanganweni wathi hayi ngiyagula unyawo loluvela ubuhlungu ngehle kuhamba bathi okay akazuzu kubuhlungu bonyawo balubamba unyawo lwa balu twister bamdonsa for about 100 meters umuntu omdala uyabukhangele nga nxa udonsa umuntu omdala ongumama. But I'm saying, compared with other things that engizaziyo, ama testimonies angakhulunywa khona, it's not ngoba wasila. Ngisho ukuthi it's hit me as a family member. Like all of us here have stories to tell. In fact, konapo a few months earlier, last born son Owen Landela, last born yangagithi, wathi ngumandla. When I demobilized, when he integrated into the army, ngoba abantu bePlumtree, iGwanda, Beitbridge, babehamba as families. Besempini, abanengi babehamba as families. So sahamba lathi. Sonogwila hango. Athi sibakhulule, sibakhulule. He got killed after ama-skirmishes eSkhonmara. But disperser, they were ambushed, they got killed. Babathatha abantu labana babasa emoshwari ewangi. Bathi abantu laba babulewe, bafe beseqe emoteni. Bebe rob isitolo ama camouflage and every but I see yodwa wafaya amazipho amaningi befa ku combat. So I'm saying surely this thing could not have been looking for distance if they're killing soldiers.